Are you unknowingly sabotaging your muscle gains just by what's on your plate? Because here's the truth, you can be training hard, lifting smart, and still not see real progress if you're missing the right fuel. What you eat before, during, and after your workouts can either build muscle or block it. In this video, you're going to discover 7 of the most effective muscle-building foods, all backed by real science, not bro science. We'll show you how each food works, when to eat it for maximum impact, and how to combine them for smarter recovery, better performance, and faster growth. And make sure to stick around until the end, because we'll reveal a complete daily meal structure using these exact foods, along with a powerful timing technique that most lifters totally overlook, but that could completely change your results. Welcome back to Dynamic Body Hub, where smarter nutrition powers stronger bodies. Let's jump in. Here's what most people get wrong about building muscle. It's not just about lifting heavier weights or eating more protein. In fact, most plateaus happen not in the gym, but in the kitchen. Your body can only build muscle when it has the right tools, and that means the right nutrients, delivered at the right time. Nutrient timing, digestion speed, food pairings, and even gut health all affect how effectively your body can recover, repair, and grow stronger. That's why some people train for months and barely see results, while others make small, smart changes to their meals and start noticing real progress fast. This video goes beyond the basics. We're not just giving you a list of high-protein foods, we're handing you a blueprint. Foods that boost performance, enhance recovery, and support growth all day, even while you sleep. So, if you're ready to turn every meal into a muscle-building advantage, keep watching. Number 1. Eggs, nature's perfect protein. Let's start with one of the most complete and underrated muscle-building foods out there, eggs. Each egg delivers around 6 grams of high-quality, complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and build new muscle tissue. But there's more. The yolk contains critical nutrients like choline, which supports muscle control and brain function, vitamin D, which helps regulate hormones, and healthy fats that aid in testosterone production, especially important for muscle growth in both men and women. The mistake? Many people toss the yolk, thinking it's just fat. But research shows whole eggs simulate significantly more muscle protein synthesis than egg whites alone. Post-workout tip: scramble 3 whole eggs with spinach, avocado, and a slice of sourdough toast. It's fast, complete, and metabolically powerful. Let's hear from you. Do you eat the whole egg or just the whites? And what's your favorite muscle meal using eggs? Drop it in the comments. Number 2. Greek yogurt, the 2-speed muscle builder. Greek yogurt is a dual-action recovery food. It gives you whey protein, which digests quickly and jumpstarts repair within minutes, and casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps feeding your muscles for hours. This combination makes it ideal for post-workout and as a nighttime snack. It's also a gut health booster, thanks to probiotics, something often overlooked when we think about muscle. A healthier gut means better nutrient absorption, less inflammation, and faster recovery. Muscle-friendly combo. Add berries for antioxidants, chia seeds for fiber and omega-3s, and a spoon of almond butter for healthy fats. Perfect before bed, or even as a mid-morning snack. Do you take your yogurt sweet, tangy, or savory? What toppings do you use to make it more anabolic? Share your favorite combo below. Number 3. Lean beef, strength in every bite. Lean beef is more than just protein, it's a complete strength-supporting package. Just 4 ounces packs 25 to 28 grams of complete protein along with naturally occurring creatine, which boosts short-term muscular power, iron, which helps deliver oxygen to working muscles, and zinc, which supports recovery and hormone balance. Beef also contains B vitamins that support metabolism, brain function, and energy levels during high-intensity training. Best cuts? Go for sirloin, eye of round, or flank steak. Lower in fat but high in muscle fuel. Meal idea: grilled beef with roasted sweet potatoes, garlic, green beans, and a drizzle of olive oil. Perfect post-leg day fuel. Question for you: do you still include red meat in your diet? If so, how often? And what cut is your go-to? Let us know below. Number 4. Quinoa, the clean carb that builds. Most people think of carbs as something to fear, but your muscles thrive on them, especially when you pick the right ones. Quinoa is a standout because it's one of the only grains that contains all essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's also rich in magnesium, which helps the muscle contraction and relaxation. And unlike refined carbs, quinoa has a low glycemic index, so it fuels your training without causing insulin crashes. Quick muscle bowl. Combine cooked quinoa with black beans, diced grilled chicken, chopped avocado, and a squeeze of lime. Do you cook quinoa plain, spice it up, or blend it into a bowl? Share your go-to recipe with the crew below. Number 5. Salmon, the recovery superfood. Every training session creates micro tears in your muscle fibers, and your body needs help to repair them fast. Salmon delivers exactly that. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, it helps lower inflammation, improve blood flow, and enhance the way your body uses protein to rebuild muscle. Salmon also provides vitamin D, B12, and selenium, nutrients that support immune health, hormone production, and energy metabolism. Best times to eat it? After tough training days, especially heavy lifts or compound movement sessions. Try it oven-baked with garlic, lemon, sweet potato mash, and a side of steamed broccoli. Nutrient-dense and recovery-approved. Are you team baked salmon or grilled? What's your favorite way to prepare it for maximum flavor and performance? Number 6. Cottage cheese, the overnight growth formula. Here's a trick straight from old school bodybuilders: cottage cheese before bed. Why? It's loaded with casein protein, which digests slowly and provides a steady stream of amino acids to your muscles throughout the night. Perfect during sleep, when most of the body's rebuilding happens. It's also rich in glutamine, which may help reduce muscle breakdown and support immune function, especially important during hard training blocks. Night routine tip: half a cup of cottage cheese, a spoon of almond butter, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a few chopped walnuts. It's like dessert, with anabolic benefits. Number 7. Almonds, the micronutrient muscle booster. Almonds may not be loaded with protein like meat or dairy, but their micronutrient profile makes them an ideal support food for muscle growth. They're high in magnesium, which aids energy production and muscle contraction. They contain vitamin E, which fights post-exercise oxidative stress, and their healthy fats help maintain hormone levels, especially testosterone. They're portable, shelf-stable, and no prep required, making them perfect for busy lifters or quick post-workout fuel. 1 ounce, around 23 almonds, is enough to give your recovery a boost. What's your favorite muscle snack? Almonds, walnuts, trail mix, or something else? Share it below. We're building the ultimate muscle snack list together. Let's take things a step further, because eating the right foods is one thing, but how you time them can take your gains from average to elite. Here's the expert-level strategy most lifters overlook: strategic nutrient timing with fat pairing. Most people focus only on protein and carbs around workouts, but by adding a small amount of healthy fat, like a spoon of almond butter, a few slices of avocado, or a handful of almonds, you can actually slow digestion just enough to extend the muscle-building window. That means your body absorbs amino acids more gradually, keeping muscle protein synthesis elevated for longer, and helping you stay in an anabolic state beyond the workout window. Pair that with clean, post-workout carbs like quinoa or sweet potatoes, and your body becomes a nutrient sponge, directing more fuel toward muscle repair and less toward fat storage. It's a small shift, but it creates a big difference over time. This is how you turn every meal into a muscle-building advantage, not just in macros, but in smart metabolism. Now you've got the complete picture. Not just what to eat, but how to build a full day of muscle-focused meals using 3 powerhouse foods. Here's a simple, practical daily meal structure that fuels muscle growth from morning to night. Breakfast: 2 to 3 whole eggs scrambled with spinach and a slice of whole grain toast. Lunch: grilled lean beef with quinoa and roasted vegetables. Snack: Greek yogurt with berries, almonds, and a drizzle of honey. Dinner: baked salmon with sweet potato and steamed broccoli. Before bed: half a cup of cottage cheese with a spoon of almond butter and a dash of cinnamon. This lineup gives you everything: fast-absorbing proteins, slow-digesting recovery nutrients, clean carbs, and muscle-supporting fats, all strategically timed to keep your body in growth mode around the clock. To get the most out of this plan, pair your proteins with small amounts of fat to extend nutrient absorption. Space your meals every 3 to 4 hours, and stay hydrated to support muscle repair and cellular recovery. If you stick with this structure consistently, you're not just working out anymore, you're building a nutritional foundation for real, lasting results. Because muscle growth doesn't just grow in the gym, it grows on your plate, meal by meal, day after day. If this video helped you connect the dots between what to eat, when to eat it, and how to fuel real muscle growth, tap that like button to let us know. And in the comments, tell us, which of these foods are already in your routine, and which one are you adding starting today? We'd love to hear your strategy and see how you're applying this in real life. You've just learned how to train smarter, recover faster, and build stronger muscle through nutrition. But remember, real strength isn't just what shows on the outside, it starts with what's happening inside your body. So before you go, protect what you're building. Check out our deep dives on the early signs of diabetes, clogged arteries, and liver damage, because catching these issues early could be the key to unlocking long-term performance and health. You've started fueling your body right, now protect it and keep moving forward.